In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Epic Games launcher login loop, which makes you so you cannot log in. First, what you want to do is come down here and search for Task Manager. In here, go to Details, click on Name, and then press Anywhere and press E. Look for Epic Games Launcher and end the task. You want to press Anywhere again and press E, and make sure you close down everything Epic Games related. After that, you want to come down here and search for Run. Type in %local app data %, press OK. In here you want to find the Epic Games launcher and you want to delete this file. Now after you delete this file, what you want to do is search for Epic Games, right click, open file location, right click again and open file location, and in here you should have the Epic Games launcher.exe. What you want to do is you want to right click, properties, compatibility, and you want to enable this one, disable full screen optimizations. You want to enable this one as well as run this program as an administrator. Press apply and OK, and then try and restart your PC and launch it. After that, it should hopefully work. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.